Good morning, everyone. Giving you an update on my garden, on my veggie garden. This was supposed to be cilantro right here in this corner and this corner, and then here, like in a T, it was cauliflower. This is not cauliflower or cilantro. I don't know what it is. I don't know what seed got in here, but it looks like some kind of squash, pumpkin. I don't know. Surprise. These are the bush beans. Those are growing. This is also supposed to be carrots right here. Don't know what that is. And it's over there also. Here's my carrots growing. Here are the cucumbers, if you guys saw that video. If not, I'll post it up here in the corner. I think I might have to remove these two because there's 4 back there and they're gonna have to climb this trellis. And I did move 3 over here to this bed. They seem to be doing fine. And let's see what's over here. My zucchini, I'm growing another one. This is my second one of this year. This has been up since I put the seeds like in April. And all summer it didn't give me anything but beautiful leaves, but now I got flowers and they're becoming zucchini. Same thing with my watermelon. It was sad and drab all summer because it was so hot, and now they're so happy. The weather is like spring here now. So those are happy. Got 2 more. This one's so pretty. And I cut one the other day, another watermelon. I'll show you guys in another video. That's what that looks like. Alright, I'll give you guys another update on my vegetable garden soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe.